Alright guys, here's the overview of our first job on this Surron. It's the front rotor upgrade from Warp 9, so you're going to get an oversized front rotor. This is the stock one right here. What you're going to need is simply a ratchet and a T25, some type of T25 Torx. Here is the Warp 9 rotor. There's the part number S-FR220F. You can type that in the search bar at AOMC, or I'll have these linked in the AOMC Red Button channel video. You also need S-FB220, and that is the mount for the front caliper. So this is going to bring the caliper up and back a little bit and give you more room. If you'd like to see the difference here in the sizing, that kind of gives you an idea of how much bigger. This should definitely help. I was surprised the brakes are already pretty good on these new light BXs, but this should definitely help out quite a bit. So yeah, let's get the install started.